Okay.
My name is Anise.
Okay.
I'm going to explain you all those things we have here.
Okay.
So you know, Ouida is the voodoo, is the birthplace of voodoo.
Yes.
So we have 200 voodoo temples, and also in voodoo culture, we have 41 different different deities. So this is one deity. We call it Iroko. Iroko tree. Yeah.
Iroko is Yoruba.
Yeah. Yes. Iroko tree.
So Iroko is Yoruba. How come it's Iroko tree?
Yeah, because of the slave trade, we inherit a lot of culture from Yoruba, because all those Yoruba in Nango, they took by here to go to the gate of no return and be deported to.
And where is the gate of no return?
Yeah, it is here in Ouida. Yeah, on the beach.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the Iroko tree. So it is a spiritual tree, and we used to do sacrifices. We used to